may I request you to kindly enlighten the gathering with your visionary thoughts and experience of working towards two landmark documents for universal accessibility.
Sri Hitesh Vaidya, Director of National Institute of Urban Affairs, Professor Raheja from IIT Roorkee, Professor Chattopadhyay from IIT Kharagpur, my colleague in the ministry, Sri Ved Prakash ji, colleagues from my ministry and NIUA, which is extended arm of my ministry, ladies and gentlemen. It's my great privilege to release two important works which has taken hours and hours of experts, stakeholders, ministry, NIUA, and the two different IITs. I come from a different IIT, the third IIT, but the two different IITs, the same fraternity. I convey my compliments to all those who have been involved with doing this work. In fact, I had opportunity to go through the whole thing. In few exercises, we went through the whole thing, spent hours in my ministry and seeing and making it sure that these guidelines are real world standard guidelines and they address the issue of universal accessibility. The ministry had earlier notified a guidelines for accessibility, and that was in the year 2016. It was harmonized guidelines and the space standards for barrier-free movement of people with disabled ability, different ability, as well as the elderly persons. And that guideline has been working for the last couple of years under what our Honorable Prime Minister launched, the Universal Accessible campaign in the year 2015. Which had three components. One was the built environment, other was mobility, and the third was the technology, that is IT, or information technology. But after that, with the help of, I would like to thank FCDO, His Excellency High Commissioner of UK is very much there. I could see him on the screen. I would like to thank him and his team for giving assistance and working with us in bringing this fantastic guidelines. Right from the page, cover page, you see the 9 colors. It speaks of pluralities. We all go through the different stages. Few are born Divyang, the great word coined by our Honorable Prime Minister. They are the people born with the organs which are Divya, which are divine, because they get excess additional powers, which unless and until we realize that, we cannot mainstream, we cannot make the best use of that. So for this Divyangjan, this is few are from the birth, but many of us go through the life stages. And at certain point of time in our life, we have some disability, maybe because of health reasons. Maybe a lady going through this pregnancy or serious health reasons, childhood. There are various kinds of things which requires extra attention, extra care for your security, for your safety, for you to do your best, to deliver your best. You have all the capabilities, but you are kind of guarded by certain things. So what is that we can create in the environment so that you are able to do your best? And that is why in this guidelines, this is not called only for few persons, but this is universal accessibility. It's a harmonized guidelines and standards for universal accessibility. Everybody, child, women, men, of all ages, of all kinds of things, if you have any kinds of some differential ability, you should not feel inaccessible. You should feel access to whatever you want to do, you should do your best in all kinds of environment. This guideline, thanks to Professor Raheja, I don't know, sometimes he must have taken it very unkindly when I was harsh on some of the presentations. And I really wanted to make it very, very lucid and user-friendly so that anybody can understand it. Thanks to you, Professor Raheja, that you complied with all my requirements, whatever I said, you are doing it. You're doing much more than I was asking for X, you are doing it X square. So that's the IIT spirit. So this has really come up very well. My request would be, this is not from today. It's a very important day. Tomorrow we have the World Day of Disability. The whole world will be celebrating, and we are going with this book, with this whole treatise on what is to be done in the built environment. You can make a good meal, but you have to make the best use of the meal. You have to do the justice to the meal. Then only those who have prepared the meal, they will feel happy about it. The great work has been done. Now it is for all others. I request all the states, all urban local bodies, in their developmental program, in all their work. Why only the government bodies, even private, whatever constructions you are doing, please be sensitive to the needs of accessibility. Please be sensitive to the needs of dignity of the people. People should not feel, I'm not being cared for. I think I was hearing to some of the comments. One of our friend from the screens, he was mentioning that it is not the disability, but the environment of disability which makes them much more scared. So you have to create that kind of environment, and that kind of environment is possible. It's a lot of work, a lot of thinking has gone into making this book, and this needs to be used very skillfully. Now the country is completely changing. It is our Honorable Prime Minister's vision. The way he coined the word Divyangjan, Divyang, and the kind of action which has been done across the country. Tremendous. Let me tell you, all our government buildings, 100%, all the central government buildings are accessible today, whether it is in Delhi or it is outside. We have done it. SCPWD, which is a Central Public Works Department under my ministry. They were trained. They developed such people who can do the audit, and all the requirements at different places, they have all been taken care of. And this is the movement. Now the new buildings are coming, new spaces, public spaces are coming, and they also are quite sensitive to that. This book is going to be of a great use to them. I didn't have time to go through the other book when I speak about this book, because I've been so much deeply engrossed in this book. The other book on the inclusive city framework, since I'm not much, I can't comment, but definitely coming from IIT Kharagpur, my respect to this, all this, the work which has been done, will be of very great use. The cities are changing. Cities are becoming smart. And smartness comes from making the city inclusive, making everybody contribute towards the betterment of the city in whatever form. Whatever form. It could be for improving your social life, community life, individual life, bringing simplicity, making ease in doing things. I'm sure this book must have addressed those issues. After this, I'll have an occasion to go through that. I really feel very privileged today to be here and release these two important documents prepared not only by these two professors, but the whole lot of community. I mean, I think the stakeholders have taken a lot of interest in this, in preparing this book, and they will all have access to this. My appeal to everybody, because now the earlier book gets superseded by this book. This becomes our ministry's standards and the guidelines for the making India accessible and achieving the dream of Honorable Prime Minister, an accessible Sugamya Bharat. It's a completely accessible India for everybody. Everybody gets an opportunity to do their best in the environment which is given to them, whether it is the school, whether it is work environment, whether it is the home environment, your social environment, everywhere you get the best so that you feel dignified, you feel completely wanted, and you do your best. So thanks a lot, Hitesh Vaidyaji, for calling me for this occasion, and the two professors and the team for giving me this opportunity to release the book. I wish you all the very best. Thank you. Jai Hind.